Loading my car off the trailer in the city is very difficult, but there's many ways around this road. But Grandpa over here is gonna call the police because he's got nothing better to do.
Don't be here shortly.
So, while we were sitting down cutting the gold stickers, I was looking through my phone and we got a DM from this guy Josh at JZ Powered Garage, and he told me he has a ZF transmission, a starter, a flywheel, a clutch, everything. What we ran into was the variable of not knowing why our starter was either engaging or not engaging, because the first one we tried was spinning freely. The second one, it would thud every time. I spoke to my buddy Eric, and he told me that the reason that could be caused is when you're sticking a get rag up against your M3 motor. I don't know if it's that there's like a spacer that we're missing that we didn't put on, but basically the flywheel is like jammed up against the bell housing, and so it doesn't allow it to spin. We're gonna go pick up this ZF transmission setup and try and get this thing to crank over. Looks so good. Looks too good not to bring to Vegas. I'm in love. Oh, there we go. Now we're in focus. See ya. All right, Blake, where are we going?
We're going up to Linwood to pick up transmission, right?
Yep.
What
and
else?
Clutch,
driveline, flywheel,
starter. The starter will engage with the flywheel.
Right.
There won't be any mismatch issues. Strapping down some of the body panels just so they don't flail around. Did you build Holland's E36? Okay, because you messaged me and I recognized your sticker.
Is it that one right there that you built?
That's Aaron's, right? I know Aaron. You know Aaron? Yeah. Dude, this thing is sick. Yeah. All right, so what do you have for us?
So this is off of my brother-in-law's car. It's a 328, so the ZF, I think it's supposed to be a bit stronger.
Really?
I don't know much about BMW parts, but I know it's all here.
Dude.
There, and all the bolts and stuff, so.
Okay. And the ears are good? Oh, wow.
Yeah, I don't know how good they are, bro.
These ears always snap. Dude, thanks, man. Yeah, we got straps. Look what came in the mail just in the nick of time.
They're fucking meaty.
They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're gonna look awesome on the car.
They're gonna look awesome, or they're gonna actually perform awesome?
I only care about aesthetics. I don't care about functionality.
That's right, you stance boys are a little silly.
This will definitely give the body kit an even more aggressive look.
Yeah,
though.
definitely make the body kit. It's
Yeah.
all about the tire.
Yep. All right, let's go. What we wanted to install, this is our F-body T56 Magnum. We'll get back to this. In the meantime, we just gotta get to Vegas, and we got a ZF from a car, and the starter that came with it, and the flywheel that came with it, and the drive shaft. We know this is gonna work. So hopefully we can get this thing to start up now. And our Toyo tires arrived. You can convenient timing. So we actually are gonna be able to install these before we bring the car down. These are 18s, and coincidentally, our 17s in the front did not clear the big brake kit, so we need to run 18s anyway, so this is all working out. Today, things are working out. Due to the California wildfires, these proxies arrived late, but we are also late, so this happens to work out. We're gonna get these mounted, make sure get the outside on top of the contacts. Time for the sticker. Or this.
Alright guys, so right now we got Zach under the car. He is installing that new clutch. We have the proper clutch, flywheel, starter, and trans. So if this car doesn't start now, we gave it our 100% best shot. We have sourced every resource we have to make this car run. And Zach has tried his best, and it's gonna run. It's like 100%. There's no chance that this won't work right now. So, we're about to get the car started in the next few hours. Hopefully the next hour, but yeah. Let's get some shots of this thing going on.
What is this doing down here? This oil catch can?
It doesn't have a home.
It's just flopping around down here?
Yep. If you want to zip tie that up, you can.
We should riv nut it.
Yeah, rib nuts, that's a great idea. Come on, Zach, you got it.
Later, Blake. No, it's fine. Jeez.
Alright guys, so we just got the starter, trans, and everything in. We're about to fire it.
I'm stoked. Gotta get those positive vibes going. Bring that ISO down though. Those are not positive vibes. That's a little better.
Wait, how did you...
Alright, we got the fuel relay. I'm sleep deprived. We've got the fuel relay disconnected. We're gonna crank this motor over, get the oil system primed. David, you gonna go check for leaks?
Yeah.
All right, you get in front. I'm gonna sit in my Northwest Crafted custom seats. Not easy.
Crank this
Sliders
thing.
work nice. You ready? This is genuinely the first attempt at turning the key.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Oh my god!
That's awesome. Yo! I think what our last step is pulling this line to verify that we got oil back to that turbo.